Sir, it's Mohammad Ali. I'm a Google policy specialist. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to fix Google local search sites. In this video, I'm going to discuss about. Okay, so let's start. We have a agency, and it's Aliwave solution, and we provide any kinds of Google and Disapprove and plus spreadsheet. Also, we provide any kinds of local services. So this is our new client, and this client Google has got if I show you some notification, you can see it's Google local ads dashboard that was destination not accessible, and another issue that was in Google Ads, there was online gambling, destination not accessible, and business permission and provenance. So our clients provide kind of bathroom remodeling or interior design. This kind of business he provided. But the fact is, this website got hacked and hacker use for his benefit. Then after a lots of try, a client able to recover his website and he fixed all the issues. But still Google show this disapprove on his app. Here you can see here our client app is text deck installation. Okay, custom decks by experienced pros, text pros pro deck builders. So my client provide this kind of services, but still Google show this online gap issue and destination not discrimination. My client had lots of time to fix it, but unable to fix that. Then finally knock me. Then you are working, and in the Google local ads, it's the same. So on client knock me, then we are start working on this case. And if I show you now, if I go to the Google Ads, you can see now it's eligible. You already fixed it. If I show you the about shorting and policy manager, there you can see. Okay, no, there is no any kind of issue. And if I show the API store, you can see online all is successful. Okay, so there is no any kind of issue. And okay, so now there is the this information is a very big issue. You know it already. So if I show the Google local ads, you can see you don't have any policy. So here also don't any violation. So we also fix that. And if I show you our business promoter, then let's show you the campaign. So also this, that is a conspiracy or Google verified ads is not live. Okay, so now it's running perfect. So now come to the point. So if you have any kind of this issue where your ads got disapproved for any reason in your Google local service sites, then feel free to know. So here you can see it's the support.google.com, and here there is a little bit art here. And that is this article helps you to find your ads is disapproved or limit the policy. Why your ad is disapproved or eligible? This also outline the process of edit and support your ads for review along with the step and appeal a policy decision. So there is lots of reason by this goal has got disapproved. So if you wanted to fix it, then you can knock us, and you know that it's not a easy step to fix everything. All the client lots of time to fix their businesses or fix their ads, but they cannot do it because it's little bit, it's not a easy trick. So if you are a Google policy specialist, then you can actually know about Google ideas and what Google wants. So if you feel this kind of issue, feel free to knock us. And hopefully you know that we are the solution. We also provide any kinds of Google as Disapprove and Google assessment solution. So if you face any kinds of this kind of fact, then feel free to knock us. We are always ready to help you. So yeah, that's it. So you can ask me that why you should mind me, and you should hand it because of we only take our payment when you successfully approve your account. Until approve your account, we don't take full amount because there are lots of agency marketplace who charge, first of all, who charge 100%. Then after, if unable to recover, then they recall 50% or someone for 30%. So but we don't do it. We only take our payment when we successfully approve your ads. So hopefully no fix. That's our terms. So hopefully to do best. And you're welcome to watch our YouTube channel. You can see there are lots of services that were provided, and I have 3 years of experience in this Google policy sector. I have already handled more than 300 Google Ads suspension issue and Google Disapproval. So if you face any kinds of any issue regarding Google Ads policy or Google local service policy, feel free to knock me. Thank you so much for watching this.